Hey Kit, what are you doing?
Checking on something down here? Why? What's going on?
Nothing.
Why is the camera in my face?
Because we're doing a shop vlog.
I'm gonna go do the thing I gotta do. These guys.
That's crazy. Ouch. Alright guys, we're gonna try our hand at a shop vlog. It's really cold out here today. I think we have some warmer weather in our near future. The snow's been on the ground for 3 weeks. I'm ready for that to be gone. I think we all are. Let's go see what Nick's doing. You do Lamborghini things?
Yep.
What exactly are you doing?
This is an aftermarket like fiberglass bumper skeleton. This bumper has like an actual frame and then a skeleton that goes behind the bumper itself. These kind of disintegrate over time, like the factory Lamborghini ones. This is made by some guy off eBay, so it just needs a little bit of modifying to get everything to fit.
Sick. What do you think you're doing?
Just filling her up.
Filling what up?
Her.
Her? With what?
With fluid. Transfer case.
I've been filming this whole time.
Have you?
I'm gonna see what a shop vlog looks like. Where's a nice 35D?
Do the transfer case service, front diff service, rear diff service, driveline service, all that shit. Draining her out and filling her up.
Oh, look at those taillights.
Crazy, huh? It's good stuff.
That's
Exactly
different.
what I like to see.
What are you doing?
I'm.
Do you know yet?
I know. I'm cleaning up this subframe because there's nothing on the axle boots. So greases everywhere, and all the subframe's out. It's gonna get some simplified wiring. It's just gonna end up keeping this fuel pump wiring and wheel speed sensor, and the rest of that junk is gone.
Weight reduction.
Race car.
Race car. I mean, how much weight do you think that actually saves? With all the wiring.
I don't think it's really about weight. I think it's about simplification.
Oh, 100%.
Making the chassis simpler. Just get rid of what we don't need.
Yeah. I wonder how much weight it does get rid of, though. Probably not much.
Probably not much.
But it's. I feel like it's one of those things you would be like. It probably does. It probably is like a significant amount, but you probably just don't even realize it.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, it would be interesting if we could like weigh all of the harness. That
Yeah.
was pulled out.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, the world may never know.
World may never know.
I think this thing has cool headlights too.
Yeah. Those are clear lights.
Well, yeah, I said 2 at the end of it. You know.
Mike, have you seen like the G conversion kit facing 70?
No. Is this the G conversion kit?
No, it has like full bumpers and everything. It's the most hideous thing I've ever seen.
It has it all.
I think you did, yeah. Yeah, you sent me like the Temu or whatever.
The Temu G kit.
Yeah.
The G bumper kits.
I think that's what we're. Yeah, I think that's what we're talking about.
Where they fix the M3 bumper.
Oh, no.
Because that grill is still hideous years later.
Neither have I.
Yeah, somebody made a bumper kit for like the M3 and stuff like that where it actually has... It makes it look like BMW grills instead of whatever that is.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, nice one piece.
You know the diving board bumpers on the E30s? What? The diving board bumpers on the E30s. Oh, just like how they stick way the out. You get to like dive into something. It's funny that you know that trick. There's like a little hack on E30s to like drive them into a bollet or something to get your bumper fitment a little tighter. It's just funny that Ben knows it.
Yeah, the big Audi guy.
The big Audi guy.
Big Audi technician.
I was at a wedding last weekend, and there was a homie there. He's got an E30, and he's like, "Yo, tell me why this dude Ben just got a job at your shop." Like, that's not a small ass world.
And there's Ben.
What? Yeah. That's nuts. He used to have a V5.
Yeah, he used to have
And then what? Did he wise up?
it. Probably broke down on him too much. Dude probably didn't want to fix it.
You got an E30 fucking Dave build it.
Say what?
You got an E30, it had Dave build it.
Well, it's probably gonna run forever then. Ooh, these sound great. The E70s are hard to beat when it comes to sound. Down to great. Oh. Yeah, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm just trying to move this one hose from one side of this hose to the other side of this hose.
That's great.
That's about it.
You know what, Ramsey? As long as you're working hard.
Oh
That's-
yeah, always working hard. Up and down,
You can,
nothing bolting,
nothing bolting, hosing around too.
hosing around. Oh, I'm definitely hosing around right now. It's almost done.
What, this one you just put the new engine in?
Fresh engine, fresh gasket seals on everything. Whole 9 ready to rip.
The hell are you doing? What'd you bring?
Soups,
What kind of soups?
chicken, some chicken, some.
Alright guys, we're ending that one off here. I've had the camera in everybody's face enough today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe, do the whole 9. We'll see you guys back here for the next one.